मैं यहाँ पर संविधान की अच्छाइयाँ गिनाने नहीं जाऊंगा, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि संविधान कितना भी अच्छा क्यों ना हो, वो अंततः बुरा साबित होगा अगर उसे इस्तेमाल में लाने वाले लोग बुरे होंगे। और संविधान कितना भी बुरा क्यों ना हो, वो अंततः अच्छा साबित होगा अगर उसे इस्तेमाल में लाने वाले लोग अच्छे होंगे। इसलिए जनता और उसके राजनीतिक दलों की भूमिका को संदर्भ में लाए बिना संविधान पर कोई भी निर्णय देना या कोई भी टिप्पणी करना मेरे विचार में व्यर्थ होगा। धन्यवाद।
Religion must mainly be a matter of principles only. It cannot be a matter of rules. The moment it degenerates into rules, it ceases to be a religion, as it kills responsibility, which is an essence of the true religious act. Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I am extremely proud and overwhelmed to give tribute to one of the greatest person of all time. April 14 marks the birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, best known for being the architect of the Indian Constitution and for his struggle against untouchability in the Indian society. Popularly known as Baba Saheb, the social reformer, economist, thinker, politician and the first law minister of independent India. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891 in Moha, Madhya Pradesh in a poor family but a vision close to God, and was known for his campaigns against social discrimination against Dalits, women and labor. Here are few facts you need to know about B.R. Ambedkar. First, he was a social reformer and a Dalit icon who spoke against the inequality, discrimination faced by the members of his community. वह नेहरू सरकार में कानून और न्याय के पहले केंद्रीय मंत्री और भारत के संविधान के प्रमुख वास्तुकार थे। थर्ड, Ambedkar's father served in the Indian Army and his ancestor had worked with the East India Company. चौथा, अंबेडकर ने मनुस्मृति के खिलाफ जातिगत भेदभाव और छुआछूत को जायज ठहराने के लिए जोरदार तरीके से बात की और उसकी प्रतियों को जलाया। फिफ्थ, he resigned as the Union Law Minister when his Hindu Code Bill failed to pass in Parliament. वह धारा 370 के खिलाफ जमकर भड़के थे जो जम्मू कश्मीर को विशेष दर्जा देता था। Seventh, Ambedkar was the man behind setting up the Finance Commission of India. His ideas were also used when the Reserve Bank of India was founded. 31 मार्च 1990 को उन्हें भारत का सर्वोच्च नागरिक पुरस्कार भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया गया। 9th, he converted to Buddhism in 1956 along with his wife. This was my small tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and it is Ambedkar's 130th birth anniversary this year, and I wish you all a very happy Ambedkar Jayanti. Thanks for watching.